Hi everyone, this is Jeremy. Recently, there are a number of people actually approached me and asked me that they understand that our drone, this FPV3 drone, is flying at very high speed, flying at 170 kilometers, 180 kilometers. But the problem is for them, either one, they are not confident with their ability, the skill, their ability to fly such a high-speed drone. Two, they don't really do freestyling or racing or do any high-speed maneuver. They use FPV as a tool for videography or cinematic videography. So they prefer, they understand that this is a very good drone, a very high quality drone, but they prefer something that's slower. So is there any solution that we can solve this problem? Answer is, of course, yes. All you need to do is that you plug in your USB into the drone flight controller and onto your PC. Remember, you need to download this beta flight configurator. And with this beta flight configurator, once you plug in the USB, you will be connected. If not, you just click connect. See, so once you are inside, all you need to do is on the left tab here, there's this thing called PID tuning. So you click on the PID tuning. Now with this, on the right side, you can see there's some settings that you can change. Go to this throttle and motor settings. This is the thing that responsible for the motor output and the speed. Okay, firstly, what is this throttle boost? Throttle boost is more for freestyling. In normal case wise, you may not really need this unless just like if you have been flying FPV like DJI Avata, they don't really have this throttle boost. So what this throttle boost actually is that, for example, when you are moving your throttle stick upwards at a high speed, means you want to have a sudden jump upwards. This throttle boost will let you exponentially boost up the throttle when you move it high speed and on your stick. So it will allow you to flip upwards easier. Now, if you if you set it lower, you realize that basically it's the same as a standard DJI Avata. You will just be moving outwards the normal rate. So if you are moving a stick slowly, this thing doesn't really work. This thing only works when you are moving the stick upwards fast, right? So you can actually you can ignore this. If you want to set it 0, that's okay. Sometimes I will set it at 3, sometimes I set it at 5. 5, the boost is fast. Sometimes I set it at 3, right? I don't want you to boost so much, all right? I want you to be more of in control. I'll set it at 3. Okay, so this, you can actually ignore this if you want. The next thing is this motor output limit. This is the important part. So, because our drone flies at 170, 180 kilometers an hour, if you want it to fly at like DJI Avata, which is they are flying around 100 to 110 kilometers an hour. As you can see here is 100%. All you need to do is just change this to 60%. So 60% will be about 100 to 110 kilometers an hour. So that's about, they will make this drone, our drone flies at almost the same max speed as DJI Avata. In the future, when you are feeling that you are more confident in your skill, in your ability to fly a faster drone, or if you are going to overseas where you need to fly maybe a longer distance, a bigger distance, but at a fastest rate, then you want to tune this back up. Then you can actually come back here to tune up the motor output. If you're flying locally in Singapore and where you want to fly in places like indoor and all this, you want it to be slow. then you can tune this down. There's no problem at all. So this is about it. This is the way that you can actually dampen the power output so that the drone will not fly as fast. Nonetheless, it's a very good drone. All right. Okay. All right. Thank you for listening. That's all I have for you today.